Hey guys, I wanted to give a quick overview of this astromech dome. I wanted to show you some of the, well, all of the kit, all of the separate components. This is a resin fiberglass matrix casting, and something new about this casting is that there is now a circular ring cast inside the base of this dome. And that looks like this. So there's a CNC'd ring, perfectly circular, perfectly 18 1/4 inches to builder's specs. So there's no warping, it's perfectly circular, it's hollow. So here's the parts. We've got three emitter caps. So these guys cap each one of these points. There's three of them on this dome. These are also cut out and they're replaced with these clear half domes. The kit comes with clear laser cut acrylic lenses. There's a blue film covering on these. You just peel back this blue and they're clear lenses. I leave them on here so that they're protected and so you can also see them. So this is cut very specifically to place right inside that. On the rear of the dome, you've got a larger lens, and this is cut. Really don't even need glue, it just sits right on there, nice and tight, very snug. You also have a vacuum-formed piece of PETG as the main lens. And if I can do this one hand, this lens piece goes right inside that main lens, just like this from inside. This is untrimmed. This still needs to be trimmed down a little bit, but this is going to fit right in from behind. You have two small logic box laser cut mounts and a long rectangular laser cut mount. This is for doing fiber optics. These are 1mm holes. There's a lot of them. Those mount, two small ones mount on the front logic ports. This is for the rear logic port. And they're cut so that they lay right inside behind there. You also have clear acrylic as your covers for the logic ports. This is enough to do the two front small ports. This is the long port on the back. And the last part of this kit is the transparencies. And these are designed very carefully in the computer to line up. Each one of these colored holes lines up with each fiber optic port. So you've got ports, you've got logic transparencies for the front two ports, the rear port. It's cast hollow, you got plenty of room for electronics. It's fairly lightweight, but it's extremely strong. Now I'm not a small guy, I'm well over 200 pounds. And this dome very easily takes my weight. I mean, I could bounce on this thing. It's very strong. There's a fiberglass mesh embedded into this dome, which makes it nearly indestructible. As a side note, these lens openings and the logic box openings are very carefully cast, very thin. This is it's a hollow dome, allowing for any kind of electronics you want to mount inside here. But I wanted to pay special note in this video that these covers are very thinly cast, so really easy to knock out, just like this. And then Dremel it a little bit. And then your clear lenses, again, this is blue tape, this peels off, and this is a clear lens. You just Dremel that nice and clean, and your lens pops right in just like this. And if I could show you through the dome, you can see that emitter cap and the large lens, very thin resin. Everything else is extremely beefed up with fiberglass. But those openings are kept very thin, which allows for a really easy pop out, real easy clean job, and a very simple replacement with the clear lens, just like this. So as an overview for this kit, we have the resin fiberglass matrix dome mold, 3 emitter caps, clear plastic for your lens, the logic box covers, a set of 3 transparencies for the logic boxes, laser cut fiber optic grid mounts, 2 clear lenses. You've got your main lens clear part, and you've got 3 translucent half domes for the emitters. And that's it for the Astromech Dome Kit. Thanks for watching.